This material said that you would get 1 guaranteed auto and 2 memorabilia cards. From what I've been seeing, it's actually been averaging closer to 5 hits per box. What we can find here are a bunch of rookie autos, doubles and triples even. They do have the exclusive auto rights on Tariq Evans, so we'll see if we can pull one of those today. Be nice. They also have the exclusive on Kobe Bryant. This information should not be new to you. Okay. What's nice about these cards, and there's an interesting insert set here called Christmas cards. Now what Christmas cards is game used uniforms from Christmas Day of last year, 2009. So it's an interesting concept. It's nice to know exactly which game that these jersey pieces come from. So far not too much. We did get that rookie challenge card. Also in this product are updated rookie cards for some of Panini's other lines, like Prestige. Here we have a Sergei Ibaka, Jones. There's an All-Star Game card. A lot of people kind of expected LeBron and Bosch to be shown in their new team uniforms, but they are not. Lakers Legacy insert card, numbered to 499. This is one of those Christmas cards. There's number here of Aaron Aflalo. I'm actually not familiar with that guy. Anyways, back to the uniforms. They are of the players from, looks like there's a hit there, from last year, and it's a review of last year, so they're all shown in last year's uniforms. Rookie challenge, Anthony Morrow. Space. I'm not going to check it till later, but there are parallels. I did find a parallel in the singles out of some packs that I ripped earlier. However, it's a little hard to tell because it's only numbered on the back and the foil looks the same on the front. So Luke Walton, Lakers Legacy. I'm not sure if they're doing Lakers Legacy because they won the championship last year, or if because Kobe Bryant is their spokesperson. Now, being an end of the season product, if you actually read the back of the cards, it's kind of nice. They actually spent the time to write new text. Rookie challenge of Danilo. I don't know how to pronounce this name actually. I'm going to butcher it, but you could read it there. And we have All-Star Game used swatch of Brook Lopez. It's a plain pack, plain swatch from the rookie challenge. LA Lakers championship highlight. But the back of the cards do have some nice text on season highlights of the players, along with the last season's stats, which are nice. Usually you have to wait till next year for that sort of thing. Playoff debut of Kevin Durant. Durant. However way you want to pronounce it, I guess. Chris Paul. Now, I have seen some nice patches come out of here. And although the rookie autos are sticker autos, there are on-card autos in this product. Jonas Jerebko Rookie Challenge insert. Kevin Durant. What I've also noticed is there's kind of inset subset of cards with the All-Star team. Here's a Amari Stoudemire one, Marcus Landry updated Prestige rookie card. Looks like we got another Christmas card, number 123 of 499 of Michael Beasley. Nice red Miami swatch. It's a nice card. Kevin Durant highlights. Shaq on Cleveland. Heinrich, Rondo. Derrick Rose. Lakers legacy, Lamar Odom. Kobe Bryant highlight, Dwayne Wade, MVP of the All-Star game. Now what's interesting about that Lakers legacy insert set is that it seems to be highlighting the LA Lakers that won the championship this past year. Eric Gordon Rookie Challenge insert. However, I have pulled a Kareem Abdul-Jabbar insert from that subset, or from that insert set, so not sure where they were going with that. They do carry on this product onto future years. It would be nice to see some other teams' legacies, namely Bulls. Celtics might be nice. This one seems to be a gold parallel of Carlos Delfino. It's number to 21 of 24. But the foiling is just slightly different colored. It seems to be the gold parallel. Well, we're 3 hits into the box, and we haven't hit an auto card yet, so we can at least expect that. Kobe Bryant. Playoff debut, Robin Lopez. Not sure I like that insert. It's kind of interesting. Kevin Durant All-Star. Dejuan Blair Rookie Challenge. Okay, let's see. Now this is one of the lamer cards in the set. NBA Lottery highlights. Wizards win first pick in the 2010 NBA Lottery. Would have been nice if they could include the actual lottery pick in it, but I guess they're saving that for next year. Kind of lame as just an announcement of the lottery pick. Playoff debut of Brandon Jennings. And I have a redemption card. Tyreke Evans highlights. So LeBron James in his Cavs uniform. It's a throwback though. That's kind of a neat pick. So there's at least one auto hit. We're 4 hits in. Let's see if we hit that 5-hit average that everyone's been hitting for the box. I got this box for $55 at the local show. 5 hits at $55. There's that Lakers legacy Kareem Abdul-Jabbar that I talked about earlier. 5 hits for $55. A lot of other products do a lot worse. So this is kind of a fun break. It's cheaper than a lot of basketball boxes. And you still have your chance at the Kobe autos, Tyreke Evans autos. So really don't see too much downside to this product. Grant Hill. Tyreke Evans Rookie Challenge. Hoping for another auto hit for the last one. Maybe a patch auto, hopefully. Playoff debut, J.J. Hickson. Also Westbrook. Okay. Looks like my 5th hit is going to be, not bad. Kobe Bryant, Lakers legacy. Just nice. Not bad for our 5th hit. So you do the math. 24 packs, $55. Slightly over $2 per pack. If anyone's complaining, they shouldn't be in the hobby. For someone who's not big into the basketball scene, such as myself, this is kind of the perfect product. You know, I get my shot at the rookie autos, and I get a nice recap of the season. Playoff debut, Jeff Teague. Rookie Challenge, Brandon Jennings again. I believe I pulled that earlier. Karl Malone, Scottie Pippen. Hall of Fame class. Oh, okay. Oh, damn. Let's see if we got that rare 6th hit. I'm guessing not, but who knows. Oh. Jeff Pendergraph, playoff debut, and we did get a 6th hit. Johnny Flynn and Jordan Hill, number to 30 of 99. So we got a 6th hit.